Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different types of acidic compounds are given. You got to arrange by acidity. The first one is phenol, second one is acetone, third one is methanol, and fourth one is fluoroacetic acid. You have to arrange how the compound willingly donate H plus ion. Here the answer lies in the stability of the conjugate base. The first one is straightforward assignment, which is acetic acid, because it has fluorine as well as it is the acid, so it's more acidic in nature. The second one is phenol, because after donation of H plus, what really happens? Stable anion form because of the resonance. The third one is alcohol, because alcohol the oxygen can stabilize the negative charge better than acetone, because acetone don't have any stabilizing factor, only the hybridization. Here the concept you have to learn here is the effect strength. Electronegativity always higher than the hybridization. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.